Hello and welcome to my very first tutorial in my series of C++ tutorials. Today's subject is the Hello World application, and the program I'll be developing it in is Dev C++ 4.9.9.2. So yeah, let's get right into it and create a new source file. These two lines allows you to use the standard toolkits of C++, so these are always good to have because, well, you probably can't avoid to ever make a program without using any of the standard toolkits, so these are always good to include. And by the way, std means standard. This function, the main function, is like the engine of your C++ application, and of course your application needs an engine, so this method has to be declared in every C++ application. It's like when you have a car, your car needs an engine, and everything that the car is supposed to do has to be connected with the engine, because the engine is like the executor of every single action. And it's the same thing with C++. The main function in C++ is the executor of everything. So to make something actually happen, to make our engine actually execute our action, it has to be typed or called in between these two curly brackets right here. It's like you created a car and you drive it, but when you press and hold down the speeder, nothing happens. The car does not speed up. And why is that? That's because the speeder is not yet connected to the car. So if I start typing the code that my main function is supposed to do, if I type it out here somewhere, it'll not work, because then it's no longer in my engine. So that's why it has to be in between these two curly brackets. This thing, see out here, prints out stuff on the screen. What's typed in between these two quotation marks is the text output that's going to occur on the screen. In this case, hello world, and now that's a big surprise, as our program is called the Hello World application. This thing right here, end line, end L, means end line, and that goes to the next line, so our nice little sentence here will not just look like a big pile of mumbo jumbo when we run our program. This like puts your program on standby, so that you'll actually be able to see it, or else it'll just flash up and down real quick. And yep, I know it sounds hard to believe, but this is actually a complete C++ program. This is all that it requires, 9 lines. Now that's truly amazing. So now let's run it. You can compile and run by clicking this button, or you can just press F9. And I am going to create a new folder on my desktop, call it C++ applications, and in there we're going to save this file as hello world. And that's another big surprise. So now hit the save, wait for it to compile, and now it says hello world and goes to the next line. If you remove this end line thing right here, this line will occur on this line, and we don't want that to happen. So that's why I put this end line statement. Now I'm going to show you what happens if you remove this system thing. So I'm going to do that now. I'm not even sure you'll be able to see it on YouTube, because it flashes up and down so quick. I don't even know if you saw it, but it flashed up and down real quick, so that's why this is needed. Also, it doesn't really matter what you type in between these two quotation marks, and I'm going to show you that, because it matters what you type in between these two quotation marks. Down here, if you type hello world down here, your program will not be set on standby, and that's why you call it pause down here. But up here it doesn't really matter what you type. It's just going to be the text displayed on screen. So if I type hello, my name is Mr. Poophead instead of hello world, it'll just say hello, my name is Mr. Poophead instead of hello world. But that does not sound quite as serious as hello world, and I am a master in being serious. Not really. So let's change this back to hello world. And that's actually it, I suppose. I hope I'll see you in my next tutorial. And yep, see you.